Good morning, everyone, and welcome back on this Thursday. Now, if you haven't taken a look outside, this is what we are looking at today. You can almost make out the sleeping giant on this camera view here, but lots of haze in the air this morning in the capital city. Also out in Lewistown, makes for a neat-looking sunrise over the mountains there, but you can see lots of haze in the air, and that's going to continue today and tomorrow as well with that low air quality and those hazy skies. As you're heading out the door this morning, temperatures are in the mid to upper 50s, 53 degrees this morning in Lewistown, 52 in Havre, 55 in Great Falls, and 59 degrees in the capital city. But we are not going to be staying that cool all day. We've been looking ahead at this day, today and tomorrow, for the last few days here with this extreme heat that's forecast. The temperatures that are forecast actually challenging some all-time highs that were set a long time ago in some cases, all the way back into the 60s. Those highs were measured. So we could be looking at some extreme heat for the next day, today and tomorrow, the next 2 days, I guess. And also our air quality is going to continue to be a concern into tomorrow as well. So I've been mentioning this high pressure system that's over the western United States, keeping the temperatures high and dry, and our air quality also is lower as a result. There's a lot of wildfires in western Montana and also west of us in Washington and Idaho, and all that smoke is making our air quality a little bit lower. So there are a lot of areas with those yellow dots that indicates moderate air quality, and then these orange dots here up in northwestern Montana, that indicates air quality that is unhealthy for sensitive groups. So here are the wildfires that are active right now in Montana. There are a lot, but fortunately, the good news is a lot of these are small. There haven't been any extremely major wildfires just yet in Montana, but other areas of the country are certainly a much different story. To our west in Washington, there are a few very large wildfires, and of course, the big wildfire in California, the largest one that was ever measured in California, but we have been quite fortunate here comparatively in Montana. So we haven't had a lot of watches and warnings in a while. This is the most we have seen really all week because of the heat and the fire danger that we're looking at in the next few days here. So in southeastern Montana, there is an excessive heat warning. There are going to be extremely hot temperatures in this area in the next few days. This is going all the way until Saturday night, technically Sunday morning. Now in northern Montana, this is our viewing area here. We're under heat advisory starting this afternoon, going all the way until Friday evening when things will start to cool down Friday evening at 9 p.m. So the highs, as I mentioned, could be record-breaking heat. Temperatures in the upper 90s and low 100s could reach as high as 110 in places. So it's going to be very hot outside. If you've got plans to be outside for today or tomorrow in the afternoon hours, be careful out there because it is going to be extremely, extremely hot. Now, after the heat starts to slightly die down on Saturday, that is when we will be in the fire danger territory. Again, a large portion of the state with this fire weather watch that will start Friday afternoon, going all the way until Saturday evening because those winds are really going to be picking up. And after the extremely hot and dry temperatures we've had all week, those winds picking up create a hazardous situation for fires developing. So here is what we're looking at in terms of highs for today. Triple digits in many areas in northern Montana, and if it's not triple digits, it will be in the mid to upper 90s for today. So be careful outside today. The heat will be on for today and tomorrow as well. It's going to continue to be warm, well, hot tomorrow and hazy into the end of the work week, but things will slightly start to cool down on Saturday and Sunday, but still the winds picking up. We still have to keep in mind that fire weather danger this weekend. It's kind of like we trade the heat for fire weather danger. So for the next few days here, lots to look out for.
Absolutely, definitely want to keep an eye. And of course, if you are going to be out, make sure you keep an eye on those fire restrictions that are kind of coming into play here in the next couple days.
Yes, exactly.
Katie, thanks.